Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Maumee Bay, Ohio to Reno Beach, Ohio, until 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:07 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a strong thunderstorm was located near North Cape, moving east at 20 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Reno Beach. With a temperature of 89 at Toledo, 88 at Youngstown, and 80... Urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Detroit has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Monroe County in southeastern Michigan, southeastern Washtenaw County in southeastern Michigan, until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:25 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Ann Arbor, moving southeast at 10 miles per hour. Additional thunderstorms are located near Milan and Ypsilanti. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Ann Arbor, Ypsilanti, and sailing around 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Willis around 6:05 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Oakville, Pittsfield Township, and Whitaker. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm, and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Monroe, Michigan,